Fun and safe racing. With a 6-foot-long riding track and classic-style race car, the Flyer 500 provides endless fun for kids. The versatile car can be used for both on- and off-track riding and features front-wheel footrests for comfortable, safe riding. Designed with imaginative play in mind, the track can also be used for miniature toy car racing. The product is convenient for parents too. When done using, the ramp and car fit into the base, which can be wheeled for easy transport and storage. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Fun racing car. The Flyer 500 includes a race car that can be used for on- and off-track riding. The race car also features 2 footrests for added safety and comfort. Number 2. 6-foot ramp. The ramp and base provide endless fun for toddlers. The ramp also features grooves for miniature toy car racing. Number 3. Convenient storage. With parents in mind, the ramp and car fit into the base for easy storage. The base also has rear wheels so it can be easily moved once packed. Number 4. Specifications. Assembled dimensions with a ramp are 76.5, length by 27 inches, width by 27.5, height. For ages 3 to 5 years. Maximum weight capacity 50 pounds. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can other Radio Flyer cars fit on it as well? Answer. We do not recommend using any other Radio Flyer products on this ramp. Question number 2. What is the width of the ramp where the wheels fit? Answer. The width of this ramp is 12 inches. Question number 3. Are the wheels made of plastic or rubber? Answer. The wheels on this product are made of durable plastic, similar to that of a car bumper. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.